Assalamualaikum guys, how are you all? We are fine, thank you. So today it is our Nano's birthday and we are going to celebrate it. Hello guys, welcome back to Dwari Menya. This is me and this is my sister. After a long time, she's in our vlog and as you can see, we are in our car going to Emporium. Yes, we are going to Emporium Mall and all of a sudden we just made a plan. We came to So all of a sudden we just made a plan. We are actually going to we went to the Ikra bookstore and then we needed to go to Jivan Market, but no, we canceled our plan and we are going to Emporium and yeah, let's see what happens. We are just outside with honeybees. Yeah, we are outside of Emporium. It's in front is a shopping festival. Are we going there?
Yeah, we are.
No! On the right! Okay, good. Fine. But there's a shopping festival and we are going over there. Okay, so now I'm looking so bad. I'm sorry, I need to set my mask. Okay, now I'm fine. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we are outside and yeah, there are so many, like someone take this bag. Now hold this. What did you hold Mama's bag? There are so many like college girls because this place is near UCP. A little bit near, we can say like 15 minutes. So yeah, now we are gonna be entering. This is so beautiful.
Yeah, let's go. Guys, go forward.
Famous my flowers. There's pizza hut.
I'm looking for. Let's go to that place. Yeah, you guys want to go?
Yeah, the one upstairs. Upstairs.
Move it. Oh, yeah, but you have to buy ticket from down. And you have to find it from down. Let's buy. Yeah, it's nothing. Go from the escalators now. Move forward.
Guys, so Avi no, right side, the thing, I don't know what is it called. So now we are vlogging. Okay, so guys, until we are in the play area, our mother is watching us, spending her time having some coffee, enjoying some coffee from Gloria Jeans, and yeah, it's her favorite coffee if you are wondering. And where are we? I am in the jumping closet and but I cannot find the way. Mama, see Charlie jumping.
Yeah, where is Reach? Reach, come here.
Okay, so we are back. Now I'm very much struggling desperately to wear my shoes.
मैम एग्जिट करवाना है आपने?
जी, एग्जिट कर.
ये साइन आपके हैं?
जी. Was it?
It was really fun.
Take your coffee. Let's Go to pick our order. I have ordered.
Okay, please try my list. I'm gonna be opening my burger. Moment of truth. What? Wow, this is looking yummy. But we will get to know after eating it. Okay, so it was our Nano's birthday. Happy birthday to Nano. And thank you to her for his food. Happy birthday. ये मेरा नानू. तेरा नानू है मेरा क्या? Thank you for this meal.
And Mariam, Aisha.
Mariam is coming.
No, when she will come, you can give her.
Yeah, but the food got expired.
Yeah.
I wanted like this one same. Thank you.
Welcome. Buy dirty things, eat dirty stuff. Oh, let's see some dry fruit also.
That is Angelina Jolie.
No, she is Bella Hadid.
She's Bella Hadid.
Yeah.
Things that I wanted.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, it was a really fun and tiring day. Thank you to watch our video till the end, and remember to like, share and subscribe our channels. And inshallah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.